Hi, welcome to the CSS Zero to Hero course. In this course, you're going to completely learn how to use CSS from the ground up. We're going to cover every single concept or every major concept in CSS and really build up our knowledge of it. So before we move on, I just wanted to give you some motivation on what you're going to be doing in this course, so you can really get excited about the course and just jump straight into learning. So first of all, let's look at some of the stuff that we've done over the course. Now, we start with a base website, and over time we style this and change up the website using every technique that we've learned. So you can see that we've created multiple grids, colors, we've changed this completely and transformed the website in every single way. We've also created things like gradients, and we've also changed our custom fonts, colors, and backgrounds. We cover all of this in depth throughout the course, and we do it step by step so that you don't rush through and forget anything. At the end of the course, there's also a little challenge here where you try to bring all your skills together and style a website from scratch. Now, there is a solution video if you need it. Maybe you just want to see another opinion on it. But pretty much, you're going to bring all the skills you learned in this course together and create this nice website. It's responsive, it's got all sorts of layout features, and it also has animations. You can see just like that. So that's some of the actual website stuff we're going to be doing in the course, but why don't we look at some of the code that we've written. So I created this file from the start. I didn't have it at the start of this course, but at the end, you can see that we've written now well over 100 lines of code here. And although it may look intimidating now, I do explain every single part of it so that at the end, you can just read this straight away and understand what's going on in an instant. There's also the styling for our solution video, or for the solution to the challenge here. So you can see we've got a bunch of stuff here, and like I said, it may look confusing, but once we move on, this will make a lot more sense. So that's pretty much it for the little achievements video for this course. I hope you're a little bit motivated and excited to go forward and start learning about CSS. It's a pretty exciting topic, and it can really advance your web development if you don't already know it. All right, let's get straight into it.